Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the best free AI tools for creating coloring books. So if you want to make your very own coloring book in just minutes using AI, here I'm going to show you the AI tool. It's called coloringbook.ai. So by using this tool, you can use this feature, coloring book generator. You can upload photos or enter text to create any coloring page you or your child can imagine with AI coloring page generator. You can also convert photos, for example, kid photos, pet portraits, or family photos into coloring pages. So what you need to do is just tap on start free now, and in here, as you guys can see, you need to sign in or sign up with your email account. So I'm going to just use my Google account. So now once you sign in, you can just click on this options called coloring book generator. Now you can just set your character. You can go from image or from a text description. I'm going to just go, for example, bunny eating carrots. Okay, you can also enter your storyline if you want to. I'm going to just go with inspire me. Let's say I'm going to also change this one, and here you can select the number of pages to generate. But if you want more than 5 pages, you need to join premium. Now you can just tap on generate in here, and you need to also subscribe if you want to create more than 1 pages. You can see it will generating. You can see preview the results in here. Okay, so this is how it will look like based on the prompt that I entered. You can click on next tab and tap on start generating again. So the basic information here, the previous one is the character, and the next one generate corresponding results. So guys, that's pretty much all. That's how you can create your own coloring books. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.